Hello again, and here's the bike. Things have changed. So, big battery's gone, and we now have a self-made battery in here. It's a nice little bag, look at that, it's like a bomb. It's a 7S 3P battery. So 7 cells in series, 3 in parallel. And that's good for 3 chips to work, which is good. ESC still on the side and cable tied. Cabling to the motor has been tidied up, although, you know, it still looks a bit rough. I quite like that look. And we now have a throttle on the handlebars. So there we go. So it actually works. All we need now, I think, is a power switch, because I'm just connecting these together, and of course these are going to wear out, and this connection is a bit squashed because I got it too hot. So, and we still haven't got any front brakes, but that's tomorrow's problem. I think now I need to make a little switch, and probably what I'm thinking of is putting something on the handlebars. Right, change of plan. Can't find any of these connectors, so I won't be putting a switch on it today. So I'm just going to have to connect it up like that. So change of so what I'll do, I'll take it for a ride instead. And you can see how better it is with a throttle mainly, and also not a battery rattling around on top. So yeah, hopefully the next bit will be on the road.